viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet flower vase designs model. A crochet flower vase design refers to a handcrafted decorative vase made using crochet techniques. It can be a stand-alone crochet vase, the frame structured, or a crochet cover wrapped around a glass, plastic, or ceramic vase. These designs can range from simple patterns to intricate lace-like styles with embellishments like flowers, beads, or tassels. Types of crochet flower vase designs. Crochet vase cozy, a crocheted cover that fits around an exotic vase to add texture and charm. A stand-alone crochet vase, a vase made entirely from crochet, often stiffened with fabric stiffener, glue, or a hidden container inside. Lace style crochet vase, delicate and airy, featuring intricate stitch patterns like toilets. Rustic or boho crochet vase uses natural yarns like jute, cotton, or mimicry cord for a farmhouse or bohemian look. Floral embellishments vase, decorate with crochet flowers, leaves, or 3D motifs for a more artistic touch. Here are some tips for creating a crochet flower vase design. Choose the right yarn and material. Use cotton yarn for a sturdy and textured look. For a rustic farmhouse feel, try jute, raffia, or mimicry cord. If you want a delicate lace look, go for thread crochet. Pick a strong base. If making a stand-alone crochet vase, reinforce the bottom with cardboard, plastic, or a small jar, glass jars inside. For a crochet vase cozy, measure the vase properly for a snug fit. Use stiffening techniques. If making a freestanding vase, stiffen the crochet with fabric stiffener, white glue plus water mixer. Tip and let dry. Sugar straws for lace patterns. Experiment with stitch patterns. Basic stitches like single crochet, half double crochet, great for solid and structured vases. Open work stitches like shell stitch, flag patterns, ideal for a delicate or boho style vase. Basket weave or puff stitches add texture and depth. Add decorative elements. Attach crochet flowers like leaves for a floral theme. Use beads, pearls, or ribbons to enhance the design. Add a wooden or metal ring to create a hanging vase effect. Add a wooden or metal ring to create a hanging vase effect. Play with colors and style. Go for neutral tones for a farmhouse or rustic look. Use pastels or bright colors for a modern or cheerful vibe. Try ombre or gradient effects by blending different yarn shades. Here are more advanced tips to help you create a beautiful crochet flower vase designs. Choose the right hook size. A smaller hook reflective to the yarn end creates a tight and stiff texture, perfect for standalone vases. A larger hook gives a looser, softer fabric, which works well for viscoses. Reinforce the shape. Insert a balloon inside the crochet bit. Apply fabric stiffener and let it dry before popping the balloon. Use a glass, plastic bottles, or tin cans as an inner support for stability. Use a non-slip base if making a standalone crochet vase. Add a rubber or felt pad at the bottom to prevent slipping. Crochet a denser fabric using tight single crochet stitches for better support. Try different shapes. Cylinder shape, simple and classic, easy to crochet in rounds. Square or rectangular vase, crochet separate panels and stitch them together. Make it multifunctional. Create a removable cozy so you can swap it for different seasons or occasions. Use clear glass jars inside to turn your crochet vase into a candle holder or a storage container. Personalize with special techniques. Tapestry crochet. Use multiple colors to create floral patterns. Overlay crochet. Add raised details for a 3D effect. Fillet crochet. Create neck-like designs with open spaces forming flower motifs. A crochet flower vase design refers to a handcrafted decorative vase made using crochet techniques. It can be a standalone crochet vase with a frame structure or a crochet cover wrapped around a glass, plastic, or ceramic vase. These designs can range from simple pattern to intricate neck-like styles with embellishments like flower, beads, or tassels. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!